Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We got a late start this morning, but I'm going camping on my own. First time ever. I've never been solo camping, so we're gonna see how this goes. But we gotta hit the road. It's already 12:30, and I want to get there before dark, and it gets dark at like 5 o'clock now. So let's get going. So I'm trying to navigate to my camp spot using Google Maps because I have it marked on Google Maps, and this is what keeps happening. So that's us, and if I look up here, this mark is where I want to go. So I click it, Google's like, yeah, I know where that is, and then just redirects it down here for no reason. For no reason. So I'm driving down this road, and I was the only one on it for like 5 minutes. So I throw the drone up because I'm like, oh, here's a cool, like non-tree lined area.
Are you?
Yeah, I just had my drone up just looking around because it's been a while since I've seen like a just trees filled area.
Right.
But
Seen a deer are?
no, I did not. I've not seen any wildlife out here, and I've been out here 5 or 6 times like throughout the year.
Right.
Only time I ever seen was 2 deer like 4 years ago.
Right.
You find anything?
Nah, we killed a little 5-point this morning.
Gotcha. All right. Well, thank you, sir.
Good man.
Good luck.
How about
Well, they're out hunting. He said he got a 5-point buck this morning. I said I hadn't seen anybody, and then like 5 or 6 trucks just came out here sprawled in different ways. So I'm just trying to stay out of their way. So I'm not hunting. I like to get all my meat from the store where no animals are hurt. So I've never seen this before, but we got a lost dog kennel. So I guess if you lose your dog hunting and someone finds them, they put them in this thing, which I don't know how much a dog is going to like that. And I don't know if I'd want to put a dog I don't know and attempt to put them in that. Just because I value not being bit. But we're in the middle of nowhere now. We're trying to get going to our camp spot, but thought I'd stop because I was curious of what that thing was. And it's a lost dog kennel. So we're gonna keep going and hopefully make it to camp relatively soon. So as I've been driving, I've come across a bunch of, hunters and old trucks, just because, it makes sense, right? But two of them, I just passed the second one, have been on the side of the road with their hood up, along with somebody else with their truck right next to it. And they were both Fords. Should have bought a Toyota. So I think we're at camp. I believe I'm allowed to stay here. It is gun season here in Florida and Osceola, so I don't know if I'm allowed to camp here. It says no primitive camping, but this is actually a campground. So I'm pretty sure I'm allowed to, but this is it. We got a fire pit. If you watched our last vlog, this is where we stayed the first night. That way it's familiar. I know it's legal somewhat. There's a porta potty over there. I don't know if you can see this. Like there's a porta potty and there's trash cans. So I'm assuming this is a legit campground. There are hunting truck or people who hunters with their trucks. They're going down the road. One was actually in front of me coming down here. I was really hoping they wouldn't camp here because I don't want to be around people that I don't know. I'm not very social, but it's what time is it? It's 1:40. I've not had lunch. I'm probably gonna get my trailer set up for camp, and after that, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do. I have a lot of time to waste. Got a few hours before it gets dark, but probably get a fire going because it's about 58 degrees, which is chilly for a Florida boy like me. So we'll get this stuff started and we'll update you in a bit. So it's kind of sad, kind of pathetic. It is 60 degrees. It feels like 59, and I'm actually cold because I live in Florida and this is cold for us. So I just filmed a walk around of my trailer. It didn't take as long as I thought it would. It only took me about 30 minutes. I was hoping it would take me longer because I need things to do. I may have came out here too early in the day to entertain me. I think I'm gonna unhitch and probably go explore. There is some swampland over here. And I'm hoping I won't run into too many hunters because I don't know what you would hunt in a swamp besides gators. I don't know why you would hunt a gator in a swamp, because if you hit it, you need to go get it in the swamp where his gator friends are. I wouldn't recommend it. So I'm going to eat a snack, and then I guess we're going to unhitch and go explore. See if we can find something interesting. Throw the drone up. It's just kind of crazy out here because like the forest is like right there, and then there's just a drop off and it's just swamp. Like, let me look at this. It's legit Florida swamp. And there's no trees, no tall trees. But if you look over there, all of a sudden you get tall trees. Last time me and my friend were out here, we actually saw a gator. I got a picture of it. But I've been looking, but obviously I'm driving, so I'm not looking too hard. But yeah, this is gator territory. This is where they're at. But I've not seen one yet. But I am looking, I promise. So I'm going to be honest, it is 3:30 and I've ran out of things to do. There's people hunting over there. One of their dogs just came and visited me. He was a little cutie, that's fair. But he ran off somewhere over there, not the direction he came, and not the direction I hear the people talking from. So I hope I'm allowed to camp here. I'm relatively safe. I'd like to think that this is obviously, you know, not something you hunt, but I don't know these people. But it's going. I don't know if it's going well, but it's going. I'm not sure what people do when they camp alone because it's pretty boring. Normally, you know, I don't know if y'all heard that, but that was loud. I guess they found something. I guess maybe I should go join them hunting. That'll give me something to do. I'm actually not even wearing the right colors. I'm wearing black and green. I should be wearing bright orange. I didn't plan this well, and I hope I make it home. We'll see. So I got a fire going, but the weather has sprinkled 3 or 4 times now. And I checked the forecast, so I have about half a bar of signal, and it says it's going to rain tonight between like 2 and 6 a.m. So that's fun. If it starts raining before then, and it starts like raining hard, I'm probably just gonna leave. Because there's still people shooting over there. There's something in the bushes over there. I don't know what, but it made a lot of noise. I'm hoping it's just one of the dogs, but it didn't come closer, so that's good at least. So it's 5:30. It's getting pretty dark. There's still a bunch of shooting over there. One of their bird dogs or hunting dogs or whatever came and found me. He was a cutie, and then he ran off that direction, and I have not seen him since, and that was about an hour and a half ago. There's been some rustling in the bushes, pretty loud. Don't know if that was somebody or the dog or something they would like to hunt, but it wasn't really exciting to hear. A little nerve-wracking, to be honest. My fire is not working great. The wood I got doesn't really catch on fire, it just kind of smolders. But let me show you this fire. Let me show you the issue. So this is what we got. It's been a mess because it fell over. But this wood, it just kind of smolders. So it's going. Oh, actually, while I was talking about it, it caught on fire. So I should have started talking crap earlier. I may just start dinner. That way I'm fed no matter what happens. But I'm going to try and keep this fire going a little bit longer because it's getting cooler. And I'll update you in a bit. We'll see. Okay guys, so we have our pan heating up. We're going to be having breakfast for dinner. So I've got a bunch of hash browns. I'm gonna dump these in here. So I also got the fire going. I literally just found the biggest log lying around, and I threw it in, and it burns better than all the wood I brought. And this is my headlamp. Freaking bright as can be. But I still don't know if I'm gonna camp tonight. These people sound like they're coming closer, and obviously I'm not a big fan of getting shot. So we'll see how that goes. But we're gonna eat dinner. Got this going, and hopefully it comes out okay, because I am pretty hungry. I've not eaten all day today, so we'll see. So I guess I can give an update. The fire is still raging. It's going pretty well. Like I said, I just found the biggest logs and threw them on there. I'm cooking dinner still. So as soon as I'm done eating, I'm probably gonna, well, I hope it stops raining, to be honest, but as soon as I'm done eating, I'm probably just gonna put everything away and get in the tent and get ready for sleeping, because it's already 6 o'clock, it's already pitch black out, so pretty much nothing else to do besides eat dinner and go to sleep. 6:30, we're in bed. The rain is enough to be annoying, but not enough to soak everything. I left the fire going because it was dying out. I'm about 10 feet away, so if anything happens, I'll know. Not been bothered by those people, but I see their lights looking, so we'll see. Otherwise, I'm probably gonna watch a movie and go to bed. Yeah, it's been a day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do this ever again by myself, but at least I did it, right? Gotta at least try it once, see if you like it. So I'll update you if anything else happens. Otherwise, see you in the morning. Well, it's only 8:30, but the forecast has changed to heavy thunderstorms tonight, starting about 10 o'clock and ending about 8 to 9 in the morning. And I don't want to stick around for it. So I think I'm going to pack up out of here before it starts raining too hard. It's been raining, sprinkling, drizzling, whatever, for about the past hour and a half. And I don't want to stick around for the thunderstorm. And I really don't want to try and pack out and leave in the morning with it. So I'm going to get out of here. I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my misfortune. At least maybe I'll provide some entertainment for somebody, because it's been a little rough. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.